Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to make your iPhone apps way bigger. You can make them bigger like this or smaller like this. I took two screenshots of my home screen when I made them bigger or smaller. You can even make them enormous, and I'll show you all of that. All you have to do is hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you are new, and let's start. First, go over to settings. From there, you want to go down to display and brightness. Click here, then go all the way down to display zoom. It says choose a view for iPhone. Larger text shows larger controls. Click here, and if you click on larger text and done, your iPhone will restart and you have larger text. This is the first way to do it. The second way to do it is go over to your settings, go to accessibility right here, click on zoom in, and you can make your iPhone apps like super big, just like so. It's actually too big. So to turn it off, just click the zoom off, and by double tapping 3 fingers and drag to change your zoom and navigating to your home screen. If you're still having any issues whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. If you're new, hit the like button. See you next one. Bye.